Hello, and welcome to Everyone Knows a Dave. Today you join me in the company of Sherry and Rick on a short day hike on a section of the Tahoe Rim Trail called the Galena Waterfalls Trail. The Tahoe Rim Trail is 165 miles long and circumnavigates Lake Tahoe. Roughly 1/3 of the trail is in Nevada, with the rest in California. It also encompasses some 25 miles of the Pacific Crest Trail and passes through some of the most picturesque parts of the western United States. The Galena Waterfalls Trail is at the northern end of the Tahoe Rim Trail. It's about 5 miles long there and back and is a pretty easy trail with most of the elevation change at the beginning. However, it is at about 8,500 feet, so a flatlander like me can get pretty winded pretty quickly. But the views are so worth it. I hope you enjoy the video.
Still see the smoke from the California fires. Still smell it too. It's beautiful though, still eerie.
What's this side say? Here.
What are we looking at?
And we can walk down to it.
You can, but what happens is you can't see the